Welcome back to today's More Report. Charles Fraser on Tuesday 13th of September with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's move on to cable. And we've just had out the UK inflation data and it missed expectations. So very slightly lower than expected on both sort of headline at 0.6% and also the core at 1.3%. So subsequently cable dropped slightly. It doesn't seem as though the post-Brexit inflation is coming through yet, but it may well do further down the line, but still not yet. But cable slightly dropping, slightly under pressure, a little bit on sterling, but nothing too significant. But you look at this this daily chart, and you still say that we're stuck range bound already. Although yesterday's bullish candle sort of helped to support the market, certainly. And it'll be interesting to see what happens now, because I still think we're trading within this range, but the near-term outlook has been slightly improved, and we are holding on to this 32.50. This is the sort of support that I've been talking about. Yes, you had a couple of sort of drops back below that slightly at sort of 32, 34, a couple of times intraday yesterday, but basically we held on to that support. And is now sort of rallied back up again, and is sort of back into what I see as a resistance band. These sort of highs between sort of 33.50 and 33.75. 33.75 has been hit a couple of times in the last few days, so that is obviously a level that the market does look at intraday. So between 32.50 and 33, sorry. Between 33.50 and 33.75 is a resistance level overhead. 32.50 is supportive. And you look at these momentum indicators, you'd say RSI jumping up from 30 back towards 70 and coming off again. So you'd say that's fairly indicative of a range bound play. And it seems to be that. I think that we're basically trading sort of 100 ticks in the last few days really on cable, it's sort of dropped back. It's actually just unwound slightly actually since that inflation data, and it's reacted reasonably positively, but still I don't really see a huge amount of direction being gained on sterling at the moment, and it's fairly neutral in terms of outlook. I think a change of outlook would be obviously below 32.50 and above 33.75 would gain the traction once more to the upside, because then that would be once more testing these highs once again at sort of 34.45. But for now we're sort of relatively neutral, having sort of maintained that support from yesterday. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.